Alright guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, I'm basically going to be showing you, what apps you should have in your Shopify store. And I'm going to be showing you what a good professional website looks like. Um, First, before I jump into the apps, let me show you one of my Shopify stores. I have three. I'm going to show you one. One of my Shopify stores is called Heart Fashion Shop. So this is, clothing store. Um, excuse me. This is my home page. As you can see on my home page, I have two pictures. This is one of my pictures right here, and this slide moves automatically, but I can manually click it. And it's another picture I have right here. So, um, it's always good to have a nice picture right here that draws people attention. Um, it doesn't have to be a picture of the actual store. It can be your logo, a picture of clothing. Most people have, right here, right on the homepage, a big picture of like a model wearing clothing. Say it's a model near a bridge with a trench coat on, something like that. But you want to have a picture right here. It's highly recommended. Scroll down a little bit. You see, I have best sellers. Um, you see it's clickable, so people could click on the product, choose the color they want, choose the side, add the card, or just check out um, by now. And that's what um, it looks like when someone click on um, your product. Now when they click on buy now, I'll show you the checkout page that it takes them to. Well, this is if we were paying with PayPal, but let me exit that out. When someone goes to your website, they have more than one option. They don't have to use PayPal. They'll go to more payment options, and they can check out this way. But just for time's sake, we're going to kind of hurry up through this. But once they go to add to cart, they'll add the item to cart, checkout. There we go, checkout. This is optional. They don't have to put their email or phone number. Most customers do. First, last name, address, city. You see they got the price of the item right there. If there's a discount code in your store, enter your discount code. Continue the shipping method, and then they'll purchase the product. Um, but that's basically how a customer would purchase a product on your store. But let me go back to the home page so I can show you guys something. This is very important. Where it says right here in the header, free shipping on all orders, no minimum. In the first video, I showed you how to add an announcement. Um, Most people have like free shipping on all orders, 15% off using code, and then they have their discount code. So besides the homepage picture, this announcement right here in the header is very, very important because it grabs your customer's attention. Let me scroll down now. Best sellers. It's good to have some, emojis just to emphasize. Um, right here, I have a subscription box. When customers put in their email, click on subscribe. Every time I run in a promotion, every time I got a new product, they'll get notified through email. Nice little slogan. Dress to express and you will impress. Some models wearing some of the clothing I'm selling. And then I have another, mailing list. It's kind of like a reminder. Um, and that's basically, what a good website looks like. On the home page, and then I got collections, watch collections. If I go to adults, You see the watches that I'm selling. Um, this is basically in a watch collections tab. I also have babies clothing, baby boy outfits. See the clothing that I'm selling right here. Um, men's clothing, I'm just going to go to hoodies. You can see the hoodies, some of the hoodies that I'm selling. So, that's all in the collections tab. I'm going to go back to my Shopify store, not my store, but my Shopify login admin panel. This AliExpress review importer is an app you can download. Again, to download the app, you go to visit Shopify store, start searching for the app, and just download it. This AliExpress review importer will just simply import all the reviews from AliExpress to your website. All you have to do is add the link to your page. So you'll copy and paste that link for the hoodies, put it in a review importer, and it will import all the reviews for your product. So you don't have to wait on customers to manually write a review on your site. You can import all the good reviews, on your site just from that app. Auto currency converter. Say it's someone in Japan, Canada, um, Europe, whatever. They can convert their currency to the US dollar. And once you download that auto currency switcher app, it will display right here or either up here on your website. But it's right here. This is what the auto currency converter looks like. Just that's right there. Once you add that app, this will pop up on your site. The countdown timer. I'm gonna click on one of my items to show you what that is. I'm just gonna go to this graphic hoodie right here. When the customers click on your product, there's going to be a countdown that pops up. Wait for it to load. It should be here soon. There we go. It says all sale ends once the timer hits 0, and this creates urgency, so customers can hurry up and buy from the site without having to actually think twice because they know time is against them, and you know this deal may not last that long. The price, may go up. So they'll hurry up and buy it, before this time runs out. You can choose any time you want, 12 hours, 1 hour, 1 day. I chose 24 hours. So most people, when they see that timer, they'll hurry up and buy before, the time runs out. Um, that's what that is. The free trust badge. That is what this is right here. It says secure and trusted checkout with MasterCard, Visa Card, American Express, PayPal, and JCB. When customers see that at the checkout page, they know that your site is safe to buy from because it's partnered with MasterCard, Visa, American Express, PayPal, and JCB. So when customers buy from your website, they'll feel safe and comfortable to actually buy from you. That's a must. That's like the most important app you want to download. But that's what the free trust badge is. Judge that me is just another product review similar to the Ali review importer. MailChimp is just how you collect emails, as a subscribers list. Uberloo, we went over Uberloo. That's how you import your products. We went over that in a previous video. That's also another very important app. That's how you import your products from AliExpress to your store using that Uberloo app. And then these apps are just extra. These last three were just based off of my specific clothing store. But those are the most important apps. This Uberloo app, Trust Badge, free Trust Badge, Countdown Cart, Auto Currency Switcher, and then the reviews, which if you want them. Those are the apps that you need to set up in your Shopify store. Um, Besides that, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.